Good morning, good morning, good morning. Excuse me. Welcome back to another stream, another trading video. All right. Let's get into it, guys. Let's get to it. Beautiful Thursday. If you're here to make some shmoneys with me. We're gonna analyze these markets. See where we left off at. But so let's talk about it real quick though, for real. Yesterday. Let me turn all this down. Yesterday, we left off here. None of this had happened yet. So let's just go to right. Let's do it right here. What time was this? All right, this was after stream. All right, so if we look at this, we were buying up, and we did. Bought up real nice. Then, let me show you guys something before all that happened. Remember, because this is where we are, so let's recap where we are real quick. Remember that we were here, and remember I had put like this trade here. I was like, this is gonna happen next. Okay, well, let's look and see what happened. All right, all of this was going on. Look here. Look how she swiped up into this area. So none of this had happened yet, right? This was after the stream. And I had said this was our target here, right? And then I said that when she got up in here, which was this here, right? Sell. How much did you sell for up in this area? Because she dropped 100 clicks. Do you see that? Y'all see this area here? I'm going to just put it here again. How far did she go? She went down to this wick here, this candle wick here. So a total of 111 pip call, a future call, right? This was in the future. This call happened after, I had already called the buy. And then I said, hey, if you want to take a sale up here, this is a good spot to want to sell at. I said this yesterday on stream. I left this up and just to see if we would get that pushed down, and we did. A whole 100 clicks. All right, we didn't come down here, it's just exaggeration, but think about it. 100 clicks. We only got I think it moved from here to there. It was like 89 clicks. All right, we got like 88 clicks there, guys. Okay. So that's what happened. I just wanted to show you guys that because I like to come back later on and see if my analysis had played out. And of course it did. Look at that. Beautiful. Right? Giving you guys 111 clicks and then reversing. Now, when I said she was going to reverse and go to the high side, what was I looking for? Well, if we look left, let me go to the 1 hour real quick. If we look left, because this market is moving, what was here? Dollar sign. Remember I posted this. Go back to yesterday's stream. Dollar, 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 dollar. What did I say? These were my points that she was going to come back into, right? This fair value gap or imbalance or, insufficiency in price, whatever you want to call it. It's all the same. Oh, by the way, guys, because this market is moving, we are in a sale here at 23.59. All right, I threw this sale out about, I want to say about 45 minutes ago. Okay, so we are sitting in the sale right here. If you are in the Telegram group, you caught this sale. I already put it out, right? VIPs got this sale. It's already been put out. If you are a little late to the stream, we've only moved so far 16 clicks. So we're up about 16 pips, right? So, and another thing is, let's check something else real fast, because it is what, 8:06, and we do have news at 8:30, unemployment claims. Okay, we have that. Okay, so news coming in, a little high impact news, right, for 8:30. Maybe it can help us push down into this area, get below these lows here, right? Why? Because I see money, right? So I'm just going to clean this up a little bit because these have already been hit, okay? So this was hit already. I just want to get some things off of my my screen so you guys can see this a lot better. All right, let me go back to 5 minutes real quick. All right, we got some stuff here. All right, so I'm gonna just take this off. This is gone. So this buy here, if you could have held this buy, it never touched our stop loss, right? Even if we were up like, let's see, like 30, what was it, like 37 or 40 clicks or something like that. I don't remember, but she never really came back. Look, right here, she never came back, really. She did put us in some drawdown, but she didn't get to the stop loss, and she reversed. Guys, this trade, if you would have held this trade, let's look, how much would you have collected? 384 clicks, 384 pips there. All right, off of that, this move here from yesterday's stream, this buy here on up. And after the stream, I actually threw out another sale, and that was that sale that went up and came back down, giving us 111 pips. All right, that's how that worked. But now I'm seeing, let's look at what's happening right now is, let's see what we got. We have, we'll go back to the hourly. All right, so let's talk about it. We have this strong impulsive move to the high side, getting into our areas of insufficiency in price. Look left. So these, and look, they took this top, they took this liquidity. So we can just go ahead and get rid of those dollar signs because they're gone. Money gets gone there. All right. We've closed this area off. We didn't get up here to this insufficiency in price yet, but we did take the tops here. Strong buy up, take the bottom, take the tops. Now, what is the rule of thumb? If it goes up, it must come down, right? So if they take tops, right, which they took it, let's mark it because I like these. They took that, they took that, they took that. All of these guys are out of their positions, okay? They're out of their positions, all right? So what is left? We got these, right? We got that. We got this here, right? Okay. So could we be possibly now reversing, coming to the downside? Because if I'm looking at this correctly, guys, we have insufficiency in price, which is a gap. Okay. We have another insufficiency in price. Okay. These would be more, say, of our targets. All right. This wick here is now liquidity. All right. And we now have areas that we would like to target from this push here. I wish I was up. I would have seen this and got in the sale for sure. After this push high up, I would have definitely took a sale, right? So these are our targets. So we got here, we're here, and we're targeting here, all right? Just in case you don't see it, we're here, we're targeting here, and even lower, right? So let's just check the daily real quick. Look at the daily, guys. Oh my God, beautiful. Just beautiful. Consolidation. All right, let's do it. Consolidation, right? What's this? Manipulation, right? What comes after manipulation? Distribution, right? They're going to distribute out of this position and they're going to fall down to where? These lows, this low, right? These wicks, what? Insufficiency in price, right? They're going to come here, here. They got to come all the way down here possibly, right? These are just ideas, guys. This is what I have in my head on when I'm trading. I'm trying to think of where could they go? What did the big boys do? I could see it. Look, they pushed down, they consolidated, they manipulated this consolidation just so that they can what? Reverse and go to the other side, right? And take the bottoms. Liquidity. That's it. That's the game. All right. You must have targets. Don't have no targets marked, then you can be lost, right? So, oh, we got an alert at 23:57, so that means that we are moving. So let me just see something. Let me update the group and let them know because we did get in and we should be up 20 pips now, right? You guys should be in profit. It's on the screen. You should be in profit. Let me update my group real quick and let them know that their TPs have been hit. Apply. All right, TP1 smashed. Computer's moving slow. I'm done typing and it's still typing. It's probably just trying to wake up. You know what I mean? Trying to wake up now. All right, it's moving now. Boom. Okay, TP1 has been smashed now, guys. Okay. We're now moving on to TP2, which is down here, a little further down. I would want to say like right here. Okay, so we should get alerted on the next TP2. Don't forget, guys, we have news in 15 minutes. Is that 15 minutes? Yes, we have news in 15 minutes. Okay. You're currently in profit now. You should be in profit. If you're not in profit, I don't know why, because I gave you the signal. If you're in the Telegram group, you got the signal early, at least a good hour, maybe 45 minutes early, right? So let's keep moving. All right, so we did push down. We did a nice little push down, right? We're filling in this candle here that pushed up, this impulsive candle, right? This is banks, guys. This is the banks. All right. We still have insufficiency in price below, so they could fill that, which they will. 9 times out of 10, they do fill insufficiency in price, which is a gap, okay, in the market on a candle. I mean, remember, this is a one-way play. They need sellers, so they're creating sellers into this one-way play. This is how the market creates an equilibrium, all right? They need players on both sides, so that's what they're doing, right? So we're trading actually before the news, which is, it's okay. It's not bad. You just got to use proper risk. You know, I got my stop up here at 55, 54 pips, right? I'm giving it a nice little breathing room to be able to, you know, fluctuate. Okay. So let's see. Let's just keep holding, keep pushing down. If you want a correlation, we can look at the DXY. Where's my DXY? Right here. Oh, look how they swipe down. So this is a chance, a strong chance of gold maybe wanting to do a push down. A push up, possibly, or somebody is false here, which we got news, so it'll tell us. This market has been moving up. Let's go to 1 hour. Look at this, insufficiency above. We got a lot of gaps happening up here. Okay. Don't get fooled by a little black candle that pushes down, a little bear candle that pushes down, right? Sometimes they have to do that in order to feel the breath in. Market breathes. It has to breathe in and breathe out, right? So just like you have to breathe in and breathe out. The market ain't just going to take one long breath and it never breathe out. You know what I'm saying? No, they have to breathe. So we have to wait and let them do their breathing thing to see if we're going to ever get up into our areas of that we see here. Boom. Right? That's kind of like what I'm more say looking for DXY to move more say to the high side. So this way we can get that sell. We can get that sell on gold. All right, hold on. Let me check something. Because we have news. And news, it's Thursday, guys. Oh my God. It is Thursday. I hate to see the week go because I just love doing this game. I love playing this game, which you can play on the weekends too, I trade gold on the, not gold, but Bitcoin on the weekends. I like to see what Bitcoin does, and make a little shmoney off of her on the weekend, right? So, yeah. I just hate to see the week go. That's all it is, guys. All right, so looking at this, I'm seeing like my targets are below here. So they're right here. And this one. Okay. Looking for more of a push. That wasn't a good enough push to say, hey, let's go break even. There wasn't enough. We're gonna have to let her breathe some. But you did collect 20 clicks off of that, and she almost got to, we got a little bit more than 20 clicks though. I ain't even gonna lie. We got more than 20 clicks. We got 30 clicks. She was 10 clicks away from hitting my TP2. So you don't never know what's gonna happen now, right? Why I'm saying this is because, right before the news, they're trying to like play with us a little bit, right? So we got 10 minutes on the news. So again, let's just look at DXY. Still pushing down before the news. All right, let's look at what's below here. We still have this here, right? We have this here, and we got a lot more below, right? This is just insufficiencies in price, right, that I've marked up. If you look left, look here, see? These are just insufficiencies in price here. Boom. That's all that is, right? These are future targets, but we have to wait because trading is a waiting game, right? So let's just keep going with our gold trade. All right, let's just see if we can, get that push to the downside. With DXY pulling down, expect gold to push up some, right? I don't know, like maybe she can come Let's look on the lower time frame. Maybe where are we at? Well, there's a gap there. So strong chance of, possibly getting up into this gap area, which is where our stop loss is, right? Everything else over here looks pretty much sufficient, but this gap here, this the only, well, there's one, a little one here. There's a small one. So this area here is where market could run up to, which is around in our area of our gap. Our stop loss. Our stop loss is in that area, so I'm just tightening this thing up some. Okay. Could it run up here, or will she continue down to come to these lows here? All right. We have money sitting below, right? So let's see. We got news coming up. 8 minutes. 8 minutes is the news, guys. Man, if y'all don't love this game, I don't even know why y'all here. You feel me? And another thing is, if you're not taking notes, I really don't understand why you're here too. Because the nuggets that I'm talking about and running you guys through is golden, right? Like, I'm giving you so many tips that I would charge people to sit down and talk to them and train them on their trading about. But I'm on here every day, Monday through Friday at 8 a.m. Eastern time, giving you guys, the game. I'm giving you guys free money, free signals. I give out a signal every day on live stream, right? And all you got to do is show up, right? All you got to do is show up and get the learning, get the teaching, and get your free money. You know what I'm saying? So just come and show up. That's all I'm saying. I ain't asking nothing of y'all. I'm sitting here, I'll be at these charts for hours, for you, so that you don't have to. I'm watching the market so you don't have to. All you got to do is wait on the money call or the money text and hit the button on your end, because I can't hit the button for you, right? It's something that you would have to do. Guys, it is NFP week. Guys, this market can go crazy. I've seen some pushes. It did. Thank God it did, because I hate sometimes when it just sits still. I don't watch the market when it's just sitting still. I need to see that thing moving, taking a side. Accumulation, when it accumulates, guys, it's just basically building up orders. That's all it is. That's what accumulation is. When it's moving sideways, it's building up orders so that they can take a side. That's it. That's pretty much it. And they're not, just making a accumulation area sideways market for nothing, right? Think about it. If you was market makers, right? If you could make this market, what would you do? Right? That's something to think about. Okay? So we're just going to sit here and wait for the next 6 minutes. Y'all going to hear me talk. Whatever ideas come to my head. But we're already sitting in the trade. All we're doing now is just waiting to after the news. You know what I'm saying? We got high impact news in 5 minutes. So let's see, will this help us out on our trade, or will this hurt us? We don't know, but we're in the market, and I've already did an analysis, top-down analysis, right, for you guys right here on stream, right? If you're new to my stream, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that way every time I go live, you are notified so you don't miss the money call, right? You don't want to miss the money positions. Come on now. This is free money, man. They're giving out free money. And this is so much money that you can just go in and grab. Okay? So it's really going to be back up to you on whether you're successful in this game. You got to get up and show up. You know what I mean? That's all it really is. But yeah, we news. Damn, we still got 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Man, I would like some more tea. I had some tea, but I drank it before stream. And I need another cup. I ain't even gonna lie. Trying to see what else I could see here. I just want to target these lows here. But don't forget, because you can't just have a one-way understanding. We have a two-way understanding here. Because we have insufficiency above. There's money sitting above us. So we gotta be careful because we don't know. This market could, that's why you use proper risk. This market could come up, continue to come up. What was happening over here is they was breaking all of this, right? They broke all of that, and they broke this trend, this downside trend on the 15-minute. They broke it now, right? But you know, we'll see. We'll see. We could, all it is just us finding a position using proper risk, guys. That's it. Just find a position, use proper risk, and see what you get. Don't be so intimidated if market comes close to stop loss. All of that is okay. Okay? That is just fine. When my stop losses get hit, it teaches me a lesson on either maybe I had my stop too close. What happened afterwards? I want to know, was my stop loss captured and then they went the other way, or what? What's going on? You have to ask yourself questions in order to really, get an understanding of why your stop got captured. Why did your stop loss get hit? And then they reversed into your direction, that you were initially playing in. Like, let's say this market came back up here, hit this stop, and then it fell. Why? Well, I would have to say there was a gap here, and they wanted that gap, and then they fell. They grabbed this liquidity and fall, right? That's how I trade. And that's how I think about trading when I come to the charts. Where's liquidity? How are they reacting towards the liquidity areas that they reach? Are they reversing? Depending on the lower time frame, how the lower time frame looks, are they reversing, or are they, you know what I mean, going to keep going through that liquidity area? But it's all, I'm telling y'all, man, trading is patience and you just watching these charts. It's patience and watching the chart. That's it. Now, I don't actually like the fact that they didn't give me TP2 and just gave me TP1. If we would have broke even, we would have been out of our trade by now, right? So we got news dropping in 5 seconds? Look at that. They hit our stop. Did they hit our stop? No. See? They jumped, hit it, boom, we're out. We're out of that trade. All right. No, wait. Wait, did it hit? This is where we're supposed to be out at. Did it hit our stop? Look at that. Nope. We're still there, guys. We're still holding on strong. So having a 50 pip, 54 pip stop was pretty good. We're still holding on to this trade. Yeah. So let's see if we can look. Remember I said that they're going to come to a liquidity area. If they came up and popped up for any reason, this would be the reason. Right? This is the reason here. So This liquidity is gone. Let's see. We can maybe give it a little bit of a... All right, I'm OCD, guys. Okay, super OCD. Like, I gotta have my stuff like perfect sometimes, and you don't have to be perfect in this game. My ideas is not to be perfect. It's just to be consistent. Okay, that's all it is. Okay, that's pretty much it. I just want to be consistent in the game. I don't want to be perfect in the game. There's no trader that's ever perfect in this game, period, guys. Period. No trader is perfect at all. So, let's see. Accumulation took the bottoms, take the tops. We could come down now to the bottom. Why? Because they created liquidity there. Boom. With a gap below it. So we got liquidity and a gap. All right. More liquidity. Maybe we can get that. Maybe. You just gotta wait and watch. Who knows? We might continue going. This market could continue going up, guys. All right. You just have to wait. Let's see. We didn't close this little gap on here either. But boy, did we get close to our stop loss. This stop loss was tight. I mean, they popped up. And that's why I wanted to give it like at least a little over 50 pips of a stop. Right? And we gave it that. Alright, so let's see. Will she continue? Look at all this craziness here. This is, for real, they acting like this is NFP right now. I told y'all, man, this NFP week, man, y'all got to be careful. Alright, so she's not basically giving me everything that I'm looking for right now. She gave me something. She took in this top liquidity. They took bottom liquidity, and then bounce, boom. Let's take tops. Will we turn around? Strong possibility of us being able to turn around. But let me check this hourly real quick. How do we want to go about this? We already seen we have stuff above, targets above. And they so-called just swipe the board here. This is what I would call swiping the board. When they take one side and then they take the other side, they just swipe the board, right? Let's see, are we going to get it? Or are we just going to keep moving up from here? Nice fucking entry hit onto my insufficiency in price on the lower time frame. Let's go. Let's go. We just put that up there. If y'all don't think that these markets are moving from insufficiency in price, or should I say from gap to gap or liquidity to liquidity, you're crazy. I'm watching it do it every time, every day. Every time I come to the charts, I'm watching it do it. Come on, guys. Come down. I know you want to come down. I know you want to come down. Because that was a swiping of the board real nice. This actually could have been a nice entry off of this area here. Boom. Right? Let's see. With a 16 pip stop right there, she would have gave you already, you know, about 50 pips already, guys. But let's say it's the same area. You would have taken that same trade, but when she popped up, sold up here, and then fell. This is a 34 pip move, right? So you could do that. there's so many options in trading. This is what I love about trading, is that there's so many options on getting into the trade. You can get in the trade anywhere as long as you're using proper risk management, guys. It's not like uh, um, you gotta do too much. You know what I mean? You just know which way the market is going, then you can gauge yourself into the markets that way. Well, I kind of knew market wanted to turn around after the fact that this long impulsive candle that did that thing, right? This candle did it. Let me show y'all. This candle took out these guys, took out this guy, these guys, this guy, and reached where? Into this gap here. Boom. Look left. Gap. Who took it? They did. This candle did. Right? So if that candle took it, right? We would be reversing. I would be looking for sales after this candle. After this candle had completed. I thought I turned all this mess off. Oh, I got 3 phones sitting here, and one phone is not on freaking silent. Okay, so let's just keep moving and grooving. All right, it does look like it tried to graze my stop loss here at 2365.37, but it didn't get there. So thank God I had it at right there, guys. Like, that was I ain't even gonna lie, that was really close. That was really close. I love this game, y'all. I love it. I swear I do. Dang, this would have been a nice little area to enter. Not even gonna lie. Look, boom, down. How much would we be running from that wick area? Man, we would have been running about 56 pips now. I think it went as high as 12 pips negative. So like I said, like, you can enter this market where we entered at, or you could enter this market, up here, because there was a gap. I showed you guys. I said if she comes anywhere, she's coming here, and then she's going to fall. And what? She came here and she fell. Where's our targets? Where are we targeting now? Well, we're targeting 2356, and we're targeting down here to 2351, and we're targeting down here to 2349, and then there's even more stuff further down, but that's just for later. We don't know if we're going to get a real strong candle and push all the way down it, right? It's possible, but we're not going to chance it, or really we're not going to wait on it to get that far down, guys. All we really want is 60 to 100 clicks, and that's it. I mean, if you want to hold this trade on all the way down, you can. There's nothing wrong with swinging the market, swinging it from here to here, because you could take it from here, this price, and bring it down here to here to here to here, right? You can do that if you want. I want these lows here. That's what I really want. I want to get down here to these bottom wicks. 2315 is the price that I'm calling, that I wanted to get down to. But I'm just gonna watch it. Little pips matter. You know what I mean? Little pips matter. So it's all about having patience and waiting on the trade to play out for you. But man, they really, that news popped us up, almost hit our stop, and then boom, fell for us. Like, just nice. So they basically cleared this side of the board, which this side of the board isn't cleared yet. So they would probably end up having to come back down to these areas. I don't see a reason on why they would come up. But you never know. Just got to wait. Boy, that was a nice clear of the board. I love when to see that. Come on. Hold on, guys. 1 second. My mother is calling. All right, guys. Got an emergency, so check it. I want you guys to see here on the stream where our target has been smashed. All right, so let me just update the group and let them know TP2 has been hit, right? um, all right, so we got TP2 been smashed. The next area would be 2353, like right up in this area. Boom. 2353 right there is going to be our next target zone. TP2 and TP1 has been hit. I have to run through this real quick with you guys. My bad. I have an emergency, so I have to go. But I'm going to leave the stream up for you, so this way you can continue to see and watch as market hits everything that we just discussed today on stream. You should be up in some serious profits right now. All right. Yes, market did have news and it did get very close to our stop loss. I mean, very close, right? But it did not hit. It didn't hit, right? We still are in the trade. If you did get hit, let's say your stop loss was too close and you got hit with spread, man, I would have jumped back in straight up because I was so confident on this trade going to the downside. And gold is now moving to the downside. All right. So TP2 has been smashed now at the price of 23.55. And what I'm going to do is just update the group real quick. And I'm going to let this stream play out. The next area is 23.53, right? I'm looking for market to come that low, all right? But other than that, guys, that's the stream for the day. I hope you guys caught some profits with me. I hope you learned something from today's stream. I hope you gathered some patience. You feel me? Make sure you like this video, guys. Make sure you like this video and share it with a friend. Share it with somebody who's trying to learn how to trade and they're looking at trading in the wrong way, or they're paying a lot of money to a mentor that's going to teach them something that's already on YouTube or teach them something that's on Google University, right? So yeah, send this video to them. All right. Our targets and stuff are getting smashed. I'm looking for this market to come further down, guys. That's pretty much it. All right. Hit our last TP3 and then we're good. We're done. We're done for the day. Right. If you want to secure your position, you can go ahead and hit where like 40 pips up. I think we moved a good total of, let's look, 45. We moved 45 clicks, but if you would like to secure your position right now, you can go ahead and do so by moving your stop loss to break even, and boom, now it's risk-free trading. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I'm getting ready to step out, but I'm going to leave this up until I come back. All right, so this trade is going to run until I come back. All right, and that's pretty much it. Y'all enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your profits. And look at the Telegram group. If you're not in the Telegram group, the link is in the description below. Hit it. It's free. Feel free to come get some more free money. All right. I will holler at you guys tomorrow, same time, 8 a.m. Eastern time. So you already know what time it is. It's money time. So I'm going to holler at y'all. Mo Diesel out. Peace.